So, good day everyone. I'm Jessie De La Serna. So, for today's video, I'm going to share my experience sa pagbili ko ng mga products in the Shopee app. So, first, of course, is the bag for my daughter. Masasabi ko na nalampasan niya naman yung expectation ko because guys, sobrang ganda ng bag at napakakapal din. You see? Kaya, for me, magagamit ito ng anak ko na pangmatagalan. And kung i-rate ko ito is 1,000 out of 1,000. Then, the second is the Kili bag. Masasabi ko na na-met naman niya yung expectation ko because for only 135 pesos only. Guys, may pangshala na akong bag and also panggala. Kung i-rate ko naman ito is siguro 1,000 out of 1,000 din. Then the third is the Dr. Alvin toner. Masasabi ko na hindi niya na-met yung expectation ko because for me, fake siya and no effect because hindi nag-feel yung face ko, then hindi rin nag-smoothen. So, kung i-rate ko naman ito is 5 out of 10. As a consumer, kapag ka-umorder ako sa Shopee, then dumadating ito sa akin, minsan nadi-disappoint ako kasi minsan hindi na nami-met yung expectation ng product nito sa akin. That's why minsan nadi-disappoint ako, but mas madami namang product na mas nalampasan yung expectation ko. That's why paulit-ulit pa din akong umorder sa Shopee.